Hey, Kevin, KNC Fence Company. This video is going to help you estimate a fence fast before you have to call anyone. There's a few things that we have to think about, and at the end of this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to get your exact footage on your property, or a very close estimate of that. Number one, most homes, average home size is around 200 feet. Just an example, if you have a larger lot, like an acre lot, it can be around 400 to 600 feet, to kind of give an example. So size matters and can affect the cost. Number two, fence type sets the range. So whether you're doing chain link, wood, vinyl, aluminum, composite, steel, those types of fences all have different pricing ranges. For example, chain link fence can be anywhere from 13 feet for your 4-foot residential fence to $32 a foot for more of your commercial style fencing. Wood can range from 13, standard dog ear, to around 32 when you're adding lattice and deck rail, things like that. Vinyl, white vinyl to tan to khaki. Then you have your wood grain colors. Those kind of things can go anywhere from $27 to $58 a foot. Aluminum, residential aluminum, can be anywhere from $27 to $35 a foot. Your Trex composite fences will really get high. They can be anywhere from $80 to $120 a foot. So that's number two. Number three, gates can really change the price on your wood fences. You can have $250 for a walk gate, but when you get to vinyl, it can be $500 to $600 for a walk gate. So gates can really add to the pricing. And then number four, our last one, what pushes up the price is really taller fences, slopes, hills, rock. The way that your fence lays out. If you're doing wood fencing, stain can add anywhere from $8 to $12 a foot. So those types of things, just as far as the property itself, can affect the pricing of your fence. So important, these are budget ranges only, not final quotes. Every yard is different. Here's your tips. If you live in Middle Tennessee, and I have a tip for you if you don't live in Middle Tennessee. But first, if you live in Middle Tennessee, we have forms where you can enter footage, upload drawings, and we even have a budget tool where you can see your property from the satellite and draw on top and get budget pricing almost instantly without ever having somebody on site. If you live outside of Middle Tennessee, you can use Google Maps, and if you'll pull up your satellite view, you can right click on that Google map, click measure, and really measure your property and get a real close estimate to how much footage your fence will be. I'll leave a link down in the comments to our fence pricing options page, and this will really give you a place where you can go and enter your information if you have forms, if you have a drawing from another company. And just remember the name. We are KNC Fence Company, where you build a fence and change a life. To learn more, visit us at fencenashville.net. Thanks for watching.